Tut then and now. He was only 9 years old when he became king. When his father died, he became the ruler or pharaoh. King Tut ruled for only 10 years. Yet he is one of Egypt's most famous kings. King Tut isn't known for the wars he won. His fame isn't based on his wisdom or on the cities he built. Instead, he is known for the treasure he left behind. King Tut ruled more than 3,000 years ago. Little is known about his life. What we do know is based on what was found in his tomb. When a pharaoh died, he was buried with things he might need on a journey. He would carry jewelry, perfume, and clothing. He would need a golden throne. A departing ruler would want to sail away in a ship. The tombs of pharaohs were filled with unbelievable riches. The Egyptian pharaohs were buried in the Valley of the Kings. In early Egyptian times, this area was guarded to prevent robberies. Still, robbers roamed the valley. They broke through the pharaoh's tombs and stole everything they could. King Tut's tomb has been basically untouched. Grave robbers had broken in once, but they had not emptied the tomb. That is why the discovery in 1922 was so exciting. No one else had entered King Tut's tomb until an Englishman named had entered King Howard Carter discovered it. When he shone a light inside the closet space, he was speechless. He just stared at the superb treasures inside. For months, Carter explored and studied the tomb. He found the pharaoh inside a solid gold casket. A gold mask covered his face. The room was brightly painted and bordered in gold. Since then, many people have wondered how King Tut died. Some thought he was poisoned. Others thought he had fallen from a chariot during a race. He might have been killed while hunting lions or other fierce animals, as pharaohs were expected to do. These ideas made good stories, but the truth remained a mystery. Modern science changed that. Scientists observed and tested King Tut's body. His body told a story about his short life. Scientists are certain that Tutankhamun was not healthy. He probably couldn't ride a chariot. He definitely couldn't walk very far. King Tut had a bone disease that put him in constant pain. Pictures of King Tut the king show him clasping a cane. Many walking canes were found near him in his tomb. To make matters worse, King Tut caught malaria more than once. Malaria is a disease that is carried by mosquitoes. In early Egyptian times, there was no cure for the disease. Most scientists think that Maria killed King Tut